If I had to restart my video business today and hit 30K months within 90 days, this is exactly what I would do. If you don't know me, my name's Joel. I run a successful media business here in Australia. We work with some of the largest supercar clubs and brands, but don't get me wrong, I haven't worked with anyone crazy famous, and my business still does consistent 30 to 40K months, and I don't run ads. This is a 5-step proven framework, so filmmakers, listen up. Step number 1, I would pick a niche and become the go-to video person in that space. Don't get me wrong, I wouldn't turn down work that came my way. However, if you pick a niche, you become an expert, and experts get paid a lot more. A niche could be something like restaurants, gyms, real estate, but it could also be something as simple as targeting local small businesses. Either way, it's important to remember that you don't need to be confined. You are a business person at the end of the day. If opportunities come up, if doors open, go through them, step into them. For me, I was able to tap into luxury real estate first, which enabled us to have consistent cash flow. And then we started to branch out working with other businesses, creating social media content for them. After that, doors opened up to film for supercar clubs and brands. You may not love the first industry that you pick as a niche, but if it brings in money and gives you a good solid base, a good solid foundation to build from, that is the most important thing. Step number 2, I would define my offer, and remember, keep it super simple. I would have 2 monthly packages, one high ticket, one low ticket. An example of these that you can literally steal is an $1,000 package for 10 posts and a $5,000 package for 30 posts. It's important to remember with your pricing and with your packages to keep them super fucking simple. A confused mind says no. If you have an A4 document of what your packages include, no one's gonna read it. Every filmmaker I see have these bloated out price lists and packages with 2 revisions and 6 hours on site. No client cares about that stuff. If anything, you're just confusing them, and the barrier to entry is set extremely high. At the end of the day, what clients want to know is if you can get them results. And if you confuse them with a 20-page pitch deck, they're going to say no. A confused mind always says no. This leads on to step number 3, the free reel strategy. Forget cold calls, forget cold emails, forget cold DMs. You need to find 5 or 10 businesses in your area, walk in and connect with the owner. And the best way you're gonna do that is by offering a free video. You can even take it a step further with recording BTS. So then when you deliver the video, you can collaborate on it and you have BTS as well to amplify your social media. The key here is not to be filming, but it's connecting with the owner, building a relationship. A great motto I live by is relationships over money. If you have good relationships, a good network, and you provide something that's premium of value, the money is going to come. You can film these reels on your phone or on your camera, but it's imperative that you edit them on the spot. There's 2 reasons why that is so crucial. 1, it saves you time. You don't need to go back home, load up the files, and get into an editing workflow. You do it there and then. The job's done, the connection's made. You show them how much value you provide. The other reason why it is so impactful is the excitement's high. They're happy for you to come into their business, make a reel, and you edit it on the spot. They're gonna be blown away. Set 2 days aside where you do this. It builds your portfolio, it builds your proof of concept, and you get to make real connections. Step 4, I would build my proof. I would already have an Instagram page set up so that business owners can follow. And when you post the videos you make for them, you collaborate on it. Let's say you walked into 20 businesses, that would be 20 videos you would have. And if you made BTS videos for all of those businesses, you would have 40 videos ready to post. 20 of them you're collaborating with, so you're already gonna get views and more engagement from those. On my Instagram page as well, I would post my importance reels. These important reels consist of why you started a media business, what you do for clients, and how you do it. Genuinely, from those 3 pillars, you could probably make 5 pieces of content for each of them. That's 15 pieces of content that you could smash out in a 2-hour video session. So I've picked my niche. I have kept my mind open to more opportunities. I've defined my offers, I've made connections with business owners, and I have an Instagram page with already 50 to 60 posts on it. The next thing I would do is strategic outreach. I take this proof and target outreach to similar businesses. I'm not sending generic messages, I'm sending them videos that speak directly to them, and keeping it super clear that I solve problems and it's worth doing this for your business. It's important to remember in these messages, all you really need to do is flick them a video and say, hey, I created this for X, Y, and Z business. This is exactly what we do at my business name. If you want content, you know who to call. That's it. Let's say you do this for a week straight and only land 5 clients at $3,000 each. You'd already be at $15K a month. Then repeat the process for the next 83 days and you will have a client base that keeps on coming back. Here's why this works. You're not competing on price anymore. You're a specialist who understands their business. You're not another videographer. You're an expert who gets paid. You are not begging for work. You're demonstrating your value up front. Here's the difference between dreamers and doers. The dreamers will watch this video and do nothing. The doers will watch this video, pick their niche today, and start taking action tomorrow. So if you've made it this far into the video, I want you to go out, create a free video for a business and send it to me, and I'll personally review it. And if you're ready to stop making excuses and start making real progress, I work one-to-one with filmmakers who are serious about building their business. So click through the link below to book a call and we'll have a chat to see if I can help you out.